Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch, stock market researcher and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth in the stock market. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this topic for today is investing in the American stock market, the easy option. Investing in the American stock market, the easy way. There's a friend of mine called Allan. Allan is a hedge fund manager. Allan invests in the stock market and more so in the NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. I've known Allan for a period of about now 2 years. We met on online, and he has been in my Telegram group as well. And he advises people, he guides people, he mentors people, and he invests for people. There are many people who have asked me, oh, I have 100,000, can I invest? Can you invest for me? Well, personally, I don't invest for people. But there is a guy called Allan Andashe. Allan Andashe, he has a company. The company is called Olympus Financials. Olympus Financials. So Olympus Financials is a young fund manager. Allan has decided to create, like Old Mutual in Kenya, but he has decided to create that Old Mutual in America. Now he is inviting investors to invest with him, and the returns are crazy. The returns are super sweet. You know, Old Mutual in Kenya would give you a return of about 9% per year. Allan Andashe is giving out a return of about 240% per year. I repeat, Olympus Financials with Allan Andashe as the head, the CEO and the fund manager, the return is about 240% per year. The returns is so good, I've decided to invest with him. Well, I'm investing little by little. I started with 100,000. This month I want to add 100,000. Next month I want to add 100,000. So I'll be adding 100,000 regularly as I grow my capital with him. He's a young fund manager. Well, everything great started small. So Allan is still young. Young in the sense that his company is still young. Well, I joined recently. The company is about 5-6 years or so. But the returns are crazy. The returns is crazy simply because he still doesn't have a lot of overhead. He doesn't have a lot of employees. He doesn't have a lot of rent and office spaces to cater for. So his overheads is very low. And so the returns is big. Now, the moment he starts branching and creating offices here and there and employs many people, the returns will be kind of reduced. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the time for you to join Olympus Financials. This is the time for you to join Olympus Financials and invest with Allan Andashe. You can call me. My number is 0720 969 361. You can call me. My number is 0720 969 361. I'll connect you with Allan Andashe. He's based in America, in the states of Minnesota, or Minnesota, the way they call it in America. And then you can start investing, my friend, and then you can start enjoying the returns. Personally, I intend to invest big. I intend to invest 2 million. In 1 year's time or 2 years' time, I intend to have 1 million with Allan. And the returns is so good. 240% basically means your money will be doubling almost every year. If my 2 million can be doubling every year, boss, mimi nitakuwa nimekaa tu na pesa inazaana. Well, I'll also still be doing crypto, personally, on my own behalf. I'll also be doing stock market, and I'll also be doing savings and investing with Allan, Olympus Financials in America, and also be doing forex, and I'll also be doing synthetic indices. The reasoning is very simple. Diversify your investments. Have 10 shillings here, 10 shillings here, 10 shillings here, 10 shillings here, 10 shillings here. Because you know what? Sometimes things can go bad. Yes, so you need to diversify your investments. The economy in Kenya is terrible. If you are waiting for the economy to improve, ladies and gentlemen, things are bad. So you need to invest in offshore. Call me. My telephone number is 0720 969 361. I'll connect you with Allan. And by the way, why do you need to invest with Allan? One, the returns is so good. Two, you can invest for your child education. Three, you can invest for your retirement. Four, you can invest for the goals you have in life. Personally, I want to drive Mercedes. Yes. I want to drive Mercedes. Mercedes Mangech. A cold Mercedes. And so Allan is investing for me. He's investing in the American market on my behalf. I want to live in a very nice 4-bedroomed house in Nairobi, another 4-bedroomed house in the village. Not a bungalow, but a mansionette. Yes, so if you want to invest offshore, consider investing with Olympus Financials, consider investing with Allan and Andashe, and you only need 6,000 shillings. 6,000 shillings to start. 6,000 shillings to start. That's about $51. I don't know the exchange rate, about $51 or so. You need $51 to start investing with Allan. But then there's a condition. For you to start getting the 20% return, you need to reach about 50,000 shillings to start getting the 20% return. So you can investing slowly. Then when your money reaches 50,000, you can start enjoying the dividends. Otherwise, bye. You can give me a call. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Start thinking of how to invest offshore. Start thinking of how to invest in the American market. Start thinking of how to invest in the offshore. Even many of these guys, they invest offshore. So we also must start investing offshore. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.